Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. So I'm getting started early for filming and scene, and it's just after 4 a.m. So as you can see, I'm dyeing my mohawk again, fluorescent green. I like to use this stuff right here. It's hybrid colors. It's plant-based. It's not tested on animals, so that's really cool. Okay, really nice, and it's really good smelling stuff as well. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so what I've done with my Fujica ZC1000 is not only do I have some R25 in there, but I've taken along some RT200 as well. Okay, so I'm really not sure if we're going to be filming inside or outside the house or the place that we're going to be. Alright, so just being prepared there. Also, if I have corrosion starting on the battery contacts, once again I'm taking a diamond file, and I've got that in my tool compartment in here inside my tough case. Alright, we're on the way to the filming location, and as you can see, I finally got my mohawk re-dyed and stuff like that, right? It hadn't been this tall since the 80s. Looking cool, huh? More to come. Okay, so finished filming, and we're leaving this particular subdivision, and you can see how tight everything is. So we're going over speed bumps in the subdivision, stuff like that. You can see how everything is in the culture. It's always really cool here. It's nice. Okay, so we got there and filmed on the location, and actually it was family members, which makes it really, really good, especially when you're doing low budget or experimental films. So my family has some new props that they know I'd be interested in, that they got for their home, so I was able to film some of that with other things in the area. So that worked out extremely well. So I'm looking forward to seeing that footage myself as well before I start doing all the scratching and film painting and stuff like that to it. So if you're a film student, this is the way to go. Use as much family and friends as possible, because it makes it free. What we simply did was just, had a bunch of food, and that sufficed everyone, and we all had a good time amongst ourselves as well. This keeps down on many, many things, because when you're doing, film is expensive enough the way it is. When you're doing this type of work, it needs to be as free as possible. So when it gets into actually hiring actors, aspiring talent, then that's when you have to pay them. And you want to make sure that you do. If you're looking into film funding, film students, then besides, a GoFundMe or something like that, is what everyone else has done is get a job, and save some money to do that. That's what a lot of directors have done in the past, and it's really the only way. I fund my own films, okay, and you just save that money, put it aside for making movies, buying film, other things, and purchasing your own equipment. That's really the way to go. Buy your own cameras, know how to service them, or at least as much as possible. This is the way to go. Alright? And that's that. Okay? Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya!